el pivote este. Uy, uy, uy. Buah, mira, tengo suerte.
Chicos, necesito un trago.
Dios, Dios, Dios.
¡Corre, corre! Mira, 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 tío. Qué fuerte, tío, qué fuerte.
Barcelona, Spain. On November 4th, El Prat Airport, Spain's second busiest aviation hub, was overwhelmed as torrential rain poured down across the Catalonia region. This heavy and unexpected rainfall turned the airport's crowded terminals into flooded roads, forcing flight cancellations, flight delays, and diversions. Passengers found themselves stranded, struggling to move around in chaos as water gushed out of the terminal roof and slippery floors turned the airport into a real danger zone. Reports say air traffic controllers have diverted at least 12 flights to nearby airports along the Mediterranean coast, including Girona. Spain's airport authority, AENA, advised passengers to check the status of their flights as delays increase and ground crews struggle to deal with the crisis. The parking lots began to flood and some ground workers were forced to stop operations due to dangerous conditions. Social media has documented the immediate impact of the floods. Passengers pushed their suitcases across the wet station floor. Some even had to go barefoot as water leaked from the ceiling. A local resident, Jamie Danto, was among those affected. She recounted this traumatic experience, saying, "It started to rain very heavily around 8 a.m., and because our flight was delayed, we were directed to another gate. But before we could get on the plane, water started pouring down from the ceiling. The station was crowded with people dragging suitcases through ankle-deep water.
Lo único es subir y bajar del otro lado, por el parking.
Se llama una piscina.
The sudden downpour, which reached a record level of 150 liters per square meter in some areas, not only caused El Prat, but also caused much of Catalonia to stop operations. Catalonia's meteorological agency has issued severe weather warnings across Barcelona, Tarragona, and neighboring provinces. The government has suspended some train services and closed roads, adding to the frustration. Catalonia's Minister of Transport, Oscar Pent, issued an update on social media, advising visitors to stay away from specific highways due to flooding. In the nearby city of Tarragona, which was also hit hard by the rains, emergency services reported severe damage in built-up areas, riverbanks, and low-lying areas. They evacuated 4 individuals from 2 families because their homes were facing flooding. The Civil Protection Agency has reminded people to avoid unnecessary travel, keep children safe at school, and stay indoors if possible. The C-32 motorway remains closed between Castelldefels and Esplugues de Llobregat, while other routes have been rerouted to prevent further congestion and accidents. Not only the C-32 highway was flooded, but the roads in the city were also severely flooded, directly affecting vehicles as well as pedestrians. With continuous rainfall for many days, along with drainage systems that could not meet that huge amount of water, floodwater could not be drained in time, creating many localized flooded places. This unprecedented rainfall not only impacts airport operations, but also leaves a lasting impression on the people of Catalonia. It serves as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability and the rapid chaos it can bring to the best prepared infrastructure. While Barcelona and surrounding areas are working to recover from the floods, authorities continue to closely monitor the weather, urging residents and tourists to remain vigilant and prioritize safety.